What's up, guys? It's Bill from HoloModels RC again. I brought out my Sportster. It's 3D printed, and today I'm going to test whether or not you can take off and land in the grass with this thing. So I've tested many other aspects of it, and that's what we're going to do today. So I'm very curious to see how it responds in the grass. We're about to find out. No problem at all. I think it's not even on the ground long. So let's see if I can get one or two landings in here with it. For those of you who are just now watching for the first time, this is a Sportster I designed. It's completely 3D printed in base mode. I will leave a link in the description if you click on more, where you can download it and see all the specs for this airplane and a bunch of other flight videos. So I'm pretty happy with the way this thing turned out. It flies absolutely amazing. It's very simple to fly too, a very easy airplane to fly. So I'll go around one more time. Like I said, I'd like to just try to see how it responds to landing in the grass and how the gear holds up and if anything breaks on it or whatever. Oh, I love it. That works great. Nothing to worry about. I kind of thought I was going to get stuck or the gear would break. I've never flown a 3D airplane and landed or taken off from grass before. Well, actually, I've landed in grass when it's a belly lander, but not when it's got wheels on it. So let's do that again. Do some touch and goes in the grass. Let's go around the other way. Yeah, this thing just flies like a baby. It's so easy to fly this airplane. There's not much wind out today. It's actually a pretty good day for this. I wish that it came out earlier. I designed this to be printed out of lightweight active foaming PLA. However, I have G codes for pre-foamed or PLA and for active foaming PLA. If you look on Colts in the model, you'll see that. I have a lot of info on there if you want to check it out. The wheels and the rims print out of TPU and PLA. So the entire model is 3D printed. I got a 8mm wooden dowel in it through the wing. And it prints all in base mode with solid tops and bottoms. So, and then I made G codes, and the G codes I made to print as fast as possible. So they have a 0.3 layer height for the majority of each print, except for the harder to print areas. So now this version, I have a 2836 motor in it. And I got a 4S 2200 battery in there right now. And with this combination of motor, battery, and PLA, I literally can get a 12-minute flight time out of this thing and land with about 10 or 15% battery left, which is crazy. So, and it weighs about 870 grams. That's with the 2200 4S battery. So I'll go around one more time and put her down. I'd like to try the other one too with this. So, but thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe. I got a couple other things I'm working on right now. Turned out pretty nice so far. I'm gonna go around again. But like I said, you can download this on Colts. Very simple airplane to fly. You won't regret it, I can tell you that much. Thanks for watching, guys. My name's Bill from HoloModels RC. Hit the like button or subscribe. Talk at you next time.